We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva.
And I'm Leilani.
And today we're going to be doing a Lush haul. This is a huge Lush haul because we went to Lush not one time, but twice. And we're actually going to separate this out to 2 videos because we got a little surprise at the end. So let's get into it.
Hey you guys, so we're back. We switched up the lighting so that you could see the products a little better. So that's why the lighting looks a little different. But now we're going to start talking about the products, and I'm first. So the first thing that I have is the SCRUBEE, and it's shaped like a little bee. It's really cute. And it is a body scrub and body butter. And it smells really good. There's no shea butter in here.
What's in it?
Oh, no, it says shea butter.
Oh, okay.
Shea butter, softening honey, and cocoa. And it's exfoliating.
It smells so good. You guys, the way that we use these products, I haven't used this one in particular, but I've used their other one. It's called the Buffy the Backslayer or something like that. I don't know. But I've used that one, and the way that I use these is you just get in the shower and you scrub your skin. And while you're scrubbing and getting that dead skin off, you're also moisturizing and oiling up your body before you even get out of the shower. So once you get out of the shower, you don't even really need a moisturizer, but I would throw on a moisturizer anyway. So yeah.
And this product is $8.95.
The next one is something that I saw in the store and immediately knew that I wanted to get it. And you guys, it is the Sleepy soap. It is so beautiful. It smells so good. It smells like it's calming. What's in it is lavender and tonka and lang lang. So I call it your lang lang. And it ain't even that many.
It's not.
Oh well, lang lang. I just say yeah.
Your lang.
Yeah, lang lang.
You don't even
Anyways. Anyways, this is a calming soap because of the lavender that's in it. And this soap is $7.95. You guys, the next thing that I got is a bath bomb, and when you guys see this, you're going to be like, it's so girly, but it is. And it is still a little washed out on the camera, but it's pretty much almost true to color. But you guys, look at this little butterfly.
Oh my God,
fly away. So yeah, I love this. It smells so good. I can't say that I know what it smells like. What is this supposed to smell like?
Sicilian lemon oils and rose.
Okay, I don't smell the rose, but maybe I'm just...
Neither do I. It smells baby powder.
Okay. Yes, it does smell like baby powder. Okay. Yeah. But anyways, this is... Yeah, rose oil. Yeah. This is $6.95. And you guys, this is going to turn your bath like a purple, blue, and pink color. And then I guess they're all going to mix together and be like purple, filthy looking. But, you know, whatever. It'll smell good.
Okay, so the next thing is my item. And it is the dirty... Ooh. The dirty bath bomb. Dirty as in the scent, obviously. And it looks like this. And it has... I think this is exactly like the Intergalactic bath bomb. It smells the same. It has spearmint and sea salt balm. It smells the same.
This smells good. This makes
it has lavender and the Raleigh oils. I don't know what that is.
Neroli.
Yeah.
Yeah, this makes me want to buy one of these. It smells so good. Your bath is going to be it's going to be blue, green, and yellow.
And yeah.
And then it's going to mix together and look real dirty. But something that I wanted to say, you guys, is Lush trying to troll us with this right here? It looks like the earth and they're calling it dirty.
Bye. This item is $7.95.
It does look like the earth. I was going to say that earlier.
It looks like the earth and they're calling it dirty.
Yeah, because y'all need to be shopping at Lush. And that is not a paid sponsorship.
I wish it was.
And then the last item in this trip that we went to is hers.
It's called Silky Underwear, and this is a dusting powder. And you guys, I got this because I used to use baby powder a lot just to keep myself, you know, fresh and not sweaty and all that.
That's
in different places. Putting it, you can put it under your arms, you can put it in your bra area to keep you from sweating there. You can put it in your panties. And it just makes you smell really good. But y'all know, I know everyone has been hearing those commercials about these lawyers talking about come and make your claim for your money if you have cancer. So let's not use baby powder for that. And they're talking about, not to get off subject, but they're talking about cancer for women and stuff like that. But people have been putting that mess on their babies for, wow.
It's called baby powder.
Maybe that's what, okay, let me be quiet. But this smells really good. What is in here?
Cornstarch and jasmine.
It's jasmine absolute, cornstarch, and vetiver oil. I don't know what any of those smell like, but it smells really good. But you guys, I won't be buying this anymore. This right here was $10.95, and this is so small. This is 2.1 ounces. I will not be spending $10 for 2.1 ounces. I don't know what I'm going to do in place of this, but I don't think that I'm going to buy this anymore because, I mean, I was planning on just dousing myself with it. Like, why? I got to use this sparingly.
Oh, no. Before we go on, you guys, I'm sorry, Leilani, but before we go on, I keep looking at myself, and I'm sorry. I just want to put that out there. I'm sorry that you guys have to see this. But I went outside earlier and my hair did this. And I tried pulling it down for the video, but this is what you got, and I'm sorry.
And so the next few items are hers as well. I don't think I got anything.
Yes, you did.
I don't, yeah. Oh.
Lies. So the first thing that I got is another bubble bar. And this one, actually, this one is called a BUBBLEROON, kind of like a macaroon, because it's split in two. And
it don't look like the
it is called the Return to Emerald City, and it is green. I'm so sure your tub is going to be green when you get in it, and I can only think of dirty water. I'm sorry. I can. But this, oh my God, the smell of this. If you guys don't try anything, and I think this is going away soon.
Going away.
This one's leaving. Go back. I'm going back this weekend, and I'm getting at least 1 or 2 more of this. It smells so good. If you do nothing else, at least like try and smell it.
Fruit Loops or something. Some cereal.
Yeah. It's, oh my gosh. What's in it?
Rose and cistus.
Ooh, I don't know
I
what
don't
that
know
is.
what that is. Cistus oil. Cream of tartar.
Cocoa butter, rose oil, and shea butter. I don't know what that cistus oil
And
is,
pink
but
pepper oil.
this is beautiful. But this right here is a hefty price attached to it. This is $12.95. You guys had better cut this in fours and get your money's worth. But with this having shea butter in it, it's instead of just being a bubble bar, it's also, I'm assuming, going to be giving your body some moisture as well. So I'm also assuming that that's why the price is a little bit more. Then the next one that I have is another fun one, and it is a bath bomb, and it is called BLACKBERRY. And when I went up there, I told the lady I want that one over there. Did I say blueberry?
Yeah, the blueberry.
I want that blueberry looking one. And she was like, oh, the blackberry. I was like, oh, okay. This turns your bath purple. At least it looks from here like it's purple, but it's a pretty purple. It's not a dirty looking purple. It's a pretty purple. I'm just saying.
That one's $6.95.
You said already?
But it smells of bergamot oil and I'm not pronouncing that other one.
Olibanum oil.
Olibanum.
And
No.
All I can think of is that King Alibaba
Prince of Boo-Boo.
of Alibaba or something like that.
the next item that she got is the rose jam that she loves so much because she thinks it looks so pretty. It just has glitter on it.
Yeah. This one is a BUBBLEROON also, and BUBBLEROON is a play on words for a bubble bar, but it looks like a macaroon, so they call it BUBBLEROON.
Because it has the little cream inside.
Yeah, cream center. But this one has a rose shape on the top of it, and it has glitter all over it, and it is trying to come apart in my hand.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. You can
It's
push
melting.
it. Yeah. But this is so pretty. I almost didn't get it, but then I smelled it and I was like, lady, put it in my bag. It smells so good. She's not going to like it. It smells a lot like rose.
Yeah.
It smells a lot like rose.
But roses stink though.
Yeah. To you.
Okay. And that. Oh. And the last item that she got. Are you going to open it up?
The last item that I got, yes, I'm going to open it up.
It's not interesting.
Is a soap, and really it's not interesting. The soap is called, I've had it before. Have I had this one before? Sexy Peel? I've had Sexy Peel before. And
You could have tore it off any
I know.
more.
but it looks like this.
Looks like a block of shea butter.
Yeah. But oh my god, it smells so citrusy. It smells like someone took a lemon and just squeezed it out for dear life, and this is what you're left with. Ooh, it smells so good. And this is fresh organic lemon juice, orange peels, and fresh organic lime juice. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. This is going to be so perfect for my AM showers. Perfect. And this one right here, because they cut it for me, if you buy it on the website, it is $6.95. But because they cut it in store for me, this one is only $6.08.
But I got the splash box. the gift set box, I guess it's a gift set.
Mm-hmm.
I just got it because it had some stuff that I wanted, and they didn't have, the reason I actually got this was because they didn't have the shower jelly.
Yeah.
So they only had it in this was the last gift set box that they had. So I'm gonna open this in the next video, so stay tuned for that.
Alright, you guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please click that like button. That really does help our channel and will help us to grow, help other people to find us, and also make comments below. I do go on there and make sure that I comment on almost every comment now that I'm a little bit more active on the channel. And also, please go ahead and subscribe if you have not. I don't know what you're doing, but you know, come on in, join the fam. Alright, you guys, until next time, bye.
Bye.
I'll be right beside you.